How to hide and unhide rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Open your Microsoft Excel workbook. To hide rows, select the row or rows you want to hide by clicking on their numbers on the left. Right-click on the selected row numbers and choose Hide from the context menu. To unhide rows, select the rows directly above and below the hidden ones. Right-click on the selected rows and choose Unhide. To hide columns, select the column or columns you want to hide by clicking on their letters at the top. Right-click on the selected column letters and choose Hide from the context menu. To unhide columns, select the columns directly to the left and right of the hidden ones. Right-click on the selected columns and choose Unhide. Hiding rows or columns can help you focus on relevant data or prepare a cleaner view for printing or presentations. Done.